Welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. My name is Kanella Ciraco and welcome to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new watching, if you like what you see, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. All right, so I'm gonna get started. And for those of you who are longtime viewers, you remember the whole fiasco that happened with UPS, how they damaged my client's 24 by 48 inch canvas, all that stuff I went through in May, and it just got resolved about a month or so ago. I still have one piece for, left that I had to cut apart to prove to UPS that the painting was in fact destroyed in order for me to get my claim accepted. So yeah, if you remember that, it was a 24 by 48 inch canvas and it was for my client Amy. And so now I am doing a new piece for her to replace that piece that was damaged. So I'm going to be working on that for you, Amy, today. And instead of doing one big 24 by 48 and having a nightmare trying to ship that, I am going to do two 24 by 24 inch canvases, totaling 24 by 48. So 24 by 48. So when Amy hangs them, she can just put them together like so, and there's your big canvas. All right, so like I mentioned, 24 by 24. I'm changing up the colors because Amy has since redecorated and changed a bunch of things. And we are going to be doing a peacock themed pour today. So let me just put this back before I step on a trip or something. My base paint is going to be my Artist Loft Acrylic Flow White. Now this is still the 2019 version. If you are buying the bottle that says 2020 on it, the date is just here under the barcode. Mine says 2019-09. So if you have a 2019 bottle, that's the good stuff. If you have 2020 or 2021, they're no good. They will eat up all your colors and it'll overtake your colors. So I don't use it anymore. If you cannot get your hands on the 2019 bottle, I do use Titanium White by Amsterdam, or also the Titanium White by Artist Loft. I also use that. So those are two good paints to use if you cannot get that. And then my colors, so my base paint and my colored paints are all mixed the same way with Floetrol and water. And the ratios and the mixture for that can be found in video number 63. I will link it up at the top for those of you who are new watching and don't know about that video. If you're using Australian Floetrol or Owatrol Floetrol, you can check out video number 345 for ratios and mixtures on that. Okay, so the colors I'm going to be using today are Iridescent Green Blue by Pebeo. Then we have Bronze by Amsterdam. I'll put these together for now. Then I have Phthalo Green by Amsterdam, followed by Greenish Blue by Amsterdam. Then I have Iridescent Green Yellow by Pebeo, followed by Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft, and topping it off, I have Winsor Violet by Winsor and Newton. So those are my peacock colors that I chose with Amy, and I'm going to be using my old hair dryer. This is my Conair hair dryer. It is a travel hair dryer. I got this from Walmart like 3-4 years ago. It was 10 bucks. You can find it listed in my Amazon shop, but you must find an attachment for it because this does not come with this. This was from an old hair dryer of mine. And you can see that is the shape that you need to be looking for. All right, so let's put the colors back in order here. and I will bring my canvases apart. And I'm using my furniture levelers. Those you can find listed in my Amazon shop as well. They are amazing. A lot of people ask me how I stick them to the bottom of the canvas. They are put in there with push pins. There's 4 holes in each corner of that. And then you can level your canvases so perfectly. It's like easy. I love it. I love these things. All right, so I am going to not make a mess. I'm going to flood my canvas and I'll be right back. All right, I am flooded. All the bubbles have been popped with my torch. Now let's get started. So I'm going to start with the first color, and I had a wispy design that I'm gonna do here, starting down here and end up here, like so. And then from here, we're gonna go like this and end up down here, like that. And then I had a wispy coming down here and a wispy going this way. All right, there it is. So now that I have that laid out, I'm good to go. So we've got the bronze here. Is that bronze? Yeah, bronze. I tell you, these last 2 days here have been absolutely miserable. It's so cold and damp and rainy and windy and dark. Fall is definitely here. It used to be so nice the last couple of weeks, and then Mother Nature just did a 180 there. It is so cold out, and the weather just, it's so horrible. Even when walking the dogs, they get all wet and nasty. I hate it. Okay, let's see. Do I have anything to talk to you guys about? I usually have a lot of things to say, but you know, not today. Blue, maybe I should turn the lid better in order to let the blue come out more. There we go. Let's see. I mentioned in the last video, for those of you who missed out on the Loli Veffy sale for that kit, there will be another kit in November. So if you missed out and you want to get a kit, there's going to be one in November. I'm not going to tell you when yet, but there will be one in November, and there will be more than 100 kits available this time because last time they sold out super duper fast. But if you want to get first dibs on the kit, if you sign up for the Loli Veffy newsletter on the Loli Veffy website, once the kit is active and on sale, you will get an email right away notifying you that the kit is up for grabs. So if you want to sign up for the newsletter, that would be a good idea. And then that way you won't miss out on any sales that they have. Because I just love their stuff. Every day, every week, Adriana seems to have new stuff in her shop on her website. So if you don't want to miss out on the goodies, sign up for the newsletter. All right, just popping these bubbles here. All right, we are ready to go. Let's see. Okay, I am going to start with this one. I do have a second camera recording, so it's recording this canvas. So when I finish this canvas, I am going to move my camera because I don't have like 10 iPhones. I have my old iPhone, I will move my tripod to this side, and that way when you guys are watching this video, I'll be able to zoom in on each piece because you guys are pretty far away over there with that camera. So let me start here, and as usual, I'm gonna start here in the center and blow into the negative space and work my way out. Whoa! First of all, my hairdryer is on fire. But I love the way this turned out. There's so many cells in here. Holy smokes, look what's going on in here. You will see that on the close-up. But that is gorgeous. There's a lot of purple right here. But that's okay because you know what? Amy loves purple. It's her favorite color. All right, so let's see, what do I want to fix here? Let me see. I think I want to try and spread out this bronze here. All right. I got my apron in there. I did. Oh, I got my microphone in there. Well, that just sucks. Did you hear that? As I wipe the microphone? Sorry. All right, I'm gonna blow this part over here so that it continues that beautiful pattern along the side. Ah, this is so pretty. All right, what do I want to do next? I don't think I want to touch anything else, really. I kind of love it the way it is. I got some air bubbles in here because of my microphone. All right, I am going to leave it. So I'm going to just take my white squeeze bottle, fix my edges all the way around, and I'll be right back to show you guys a close-up. All right, everybody. So before we get started, you know the drill. Don't forget to get your stick here or whatever it is you have and scrape those drips. Super important. Scrape them all the way around. You know the drill. Come back 10 minutes later, do it again, then a third time. All right, so here we go. Here's the first piece. And I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. This thing, look at the green cells. I love it. Lots of green cells happening here. Look at that. And then let's move up here. I really like, and then I was gonna say, I like how this turned out. And here's the other one. And we'll move in here. And again, green cells, there's some blue, that's the metallic cobalt blue in there. And then a chunk of purple. Now, when I turn the lights off, this thing should shimmer because there's a lot of metallic and iridescent colors in this one. So let's look at that little cluster there. So cute. Let's turn the lights off and see what we get. Alrighty, so let's see what's going on in here. A lot of shimmer because of that metallic cobalt blue. Now I'll only do just one canvas. There's no point in doing both. But you can see it definitely has a shimmer in here. So when this dries, obviously it shall get a coat of crystal resin and she will be a beauty. Look at that. I wish you could see what I see because sometimes I feel like the camera doesn't really show you what I'm seeing. Look at that. There's definitely shimmer in there. All right, let's turn the lights back on. So there you have it, everybody. I'd love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. Don't forget, if you are new watching, please subscribe. All the information you need to know is listed in the description below. There's discounts to a lot of things. Arteza, crystal resin, Loli Veffy discounts, glitter discounts, all kinds of discounts in the description below. So check that out, as well as my Amazon links. If you want to shop and see all the materials I use, you can find that listed in the Amazon links as well. So that is it for me for this video. I'd love to know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And that is it for now. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.